jumping. See them limbs going?
What's these trees, Terry?
I figured you could hang on if you needed to.
Hang on one.
There's a big spider web on there.
Grab hold. Keep us here.
Let's get a hold of that one up there. This one's down here low.
Is that close enough? Do you want me to get up close?
That's
I
fine.
think it's okay.
Oh, ain't that? What's he eat?
There's one right by the water.
He's
Look at that one.
Oh, there's a little baby.
Oh, look at the
Oh,
little
I see
baby
the
up
little-
above.
Look up above. He's
Well,
a
some
little,
of them are really
little
light
cute.
brown. That
Oh,
one
isn't
isn't.
that cute? Are you getting pictures of that?
Yep.
That one looks
Oh, listen.
pregnant.
He answered. Look.
That one looks. See that one at the bottom? How fat its belly is. The tits are red. Think it's. Let's get ready to have babies.
I hear some jumping around. Oh, I see
Oh,
one
look,
going up
look,
the tree.
climbing up that
See that one
tree.
going up the tree?
Oh, it was
That's a little baby
climbing.
one.
Oh, oh, look hanging up there.
Look at that.
Terry,
that
they'd be
big
jumping
one.
in the boat.
Its
There's
rear
a whole
end.
bunch of them over here.
Its rear end is as red as it can be. He's got diarrhea. He's waving at her. Did you see him wave? He's waving. Hi.
You're going to hit the
Push off.
tree.
Just stop us right here. Tie him up. Oh, listen.
That sounds like a
That
hog.
Where's the frog?
God, look how far at him jump.
Oh, he's jumping on. From tree
I
to
see a
tree.
tree. I see a tree that's moving. There's bound to be one back in there.
The baby's way up there.
Yeah, that's babies. Yeah, it's going way on up out that into that limb. There's another one way up on that other tree next to it. Wonder what's in that limb.
That sounds like a hog.